Ha ha ha, there's a third original elevator here. I'm gonna lose my mind. No way. Spooky. Oh my god. Holy crap. Those doors are really easy to open, wow. So is that gate. Wow, they actually got the exact right counterweights for them. Or for the gate, the doors are just counterweights to themselves. But wow, these are good doors. Oh, wow, no, just kidding. Closing them is not as easy. I was gonna say, it was way too easy opening those guys. Look at this. Here they have a multitude of floor labels. Mostly green with each other. Wow, somebody had tried their hand at calligraphy too. We have quite the artist in here. All right, let's go down to G, basement and or 1. Okay, something tells me this is going to have the motor of a lifetime. But before that, here's the certificate. All right, and here we go. Holy shit. I was right about that. Wow. I need a second to take that in. God damn, that was insane. Fuck it, we're gonna do it again. You only hear a motor like that. You don't hear a motor like that often. Oh my god. This thing screams. This thing absolutely just bellows. Oh my god. It's badass. All right, we're just gonna go to dock and back, but we can hear that motor. Actually, we'll do to first/second, whatever this labeling is. God, you can hear the thing wind down. That's insane. Well, there's not going to be any topping that for a bit. Holy shit. Anyway, that'll be all.